morning everyone. Today our topic is 2D geometry. 2D geometry means two-dimensional geometry. In this we learn about 2D figures. 2D figures like square, rectangle, rhombus, etc. Its name previously told 2D. 2D means two-dimensional, in which we learn about two axes. That is, first one is x-axis and second one is y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So, two-dimensional geometry explains about the 2D figure which consists of two dimensions. First one is denoted as x-axis and second one is denoted as y-axis. So when we talk about x-axis, it is called as abscissa, and when we talk about y-axis, it is called as ordinate. So always x-axis and y-axis center position is called as midpoint, which is called named as 0, 0, and always the coordinates represent in x, y. Always the first value is x and another value is y. So when we take the dimension, then we denote it as 0 and again 1 and again 2 and again it has 1 and it has 2. So this point represent x, y. This point represent x, y. That comes to be 2, 2. So you can see it is forming a term of rectangle. So 2D figures means 2D figures. 2D figures are rectangle and square and rhombus, and more we have kites. So due to this ordinate and abscissa, it is called as coordinate, which denotes the point of x and y where all these points lies and its form. So when we come about rectangle, then we have 4 points and it termed as